Welcome to Sister Fefe Channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, it's Sister Fefe. Today I will be doing a short review on Mr. Marvin's season. Yes guys, I have placed the season over my shrimp, and we are getting ready to cook these bad boy a little bit more. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Look at Mr. Marvin's seasoning. Yes, over those shrimps. They look amazing. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a shrimp taco, guys. Shout out to Picky Dale for encouraging this this dish. He did the shrimp taco, and oh my goodness, it looked amazing. So guys, we got some avocado. We're gonna load this joker up, yes, with the avocado. I love avocado, y'all. All of a sudden I just have really started loving avocado. We're gonna we have some lettuce wrap, guys, that I had already placed down there, and I'm gonna place these shrimps on here. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm excited about trying this out. I'll load that up with some good shrimp, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try a piece. Oh, that's good. That's good right there, y'all. That sauce is amazing. That seasoning, I mean. It is amazing. I'm loading this thing up with shrimp. You hear me? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. I'm going to slide that over. We got some avocado. We got our lettuce wrap up in there. And then, guys, I'm going to add some of this salsa on there. What y'all know about this? What y'all know about that sauce? Let's move that on out the way. And then we're going to finish it up. Let's go ahead and finish it up with some sour cream. That's what I'm going to do. And it ain't even Taco Tuesday. But anyway, there we go. Mr. Marvin, I want to say, good. Y'all order your sauce, your seasoning salt today. Blessings. Welcome to Sister Fefe Channel, where you are welcome here.